3.
Hey, hombre! We got a deal or not?
We deal in lead, mister.
Yeah, here's your deal!
Ah! Hey, hombre! You put a hole in me!
Think we fixed his wagon, Slim?
Yeah. We fixed his wagon all right, Tex.
Good.